Hello, creative beings, lovely creative beings. Today's a great day, I'm happy. Today's a great day, I'm happy. And today's a great day, I'm happy. Have I ever told you that when you do that, you can't be depressed or you can't be in a bad mood? Today, I want to speak to you about being in the present. Being in the present means that you have no thoughts. You have no thoughts about the past or about the future. And when we are in a state of non-thinking, then we conserve our energies. Great, what? So whenever we think, we throw away our energy. So, and most of the time we think useless stuff. Whether we think about the past, what have I done yesterday? Oh, this guy told me yesterday that. Oh, he wasn't nice to me, was he? Oh, we are thinking, oh my God, tomorrow there is this date. What shall I wear? Have I prepared enough? And will I get this job? And these are all useless thinkings, because nobody knows the future. So it is only our storyteller who is acting there. And also you can't change the past. That's also true, is it? So what my meditation master is suggesting is every hour you can make an alarm, and every hour you observe your thought. And when it's about the past, you say, come on, I can't change my past. So let's be in the present. And when you think about the future, then you can say to you, hey, nobody has ever seen the future. So let's stay in the present. And what you will observe in the present, it's a really, really gift. It's a gift from nature itself. That I wanted to share with all of you today. And I'm very, very grateful that you spend your time with me and I can spend my time with you. And I thank you from the bottom of my heart that you spend your time with me. See you soon.